The Fire Magic Outdoor Rated Premium Refrigerator includes dynamic cooling technology to deliver even temperature in the generous 6.5 cubic feet of space. Customize your door to have either right or left-hand hinges. The Door Closing Assist feature gently and automatically closes the refrigerator door, while an audible alarm chimes if the door stays open for too long. The premium refrigerator is also equipped with a lock and a key to keep food and beverages safe. The Fire Magic stainless steel refrigerator stays well lit with LED lights and comes with 2 fully adjustable cantilevered tempered glass shelves. So complete your outdoor entertainment center with the Fire Magic Premium Refrigerator.